Hi, Tyler. I think this is the question that you were asking about for the journal entry for 1.9. Um, all I want you to do here is just fill in the chart using the choose feature. So you're going to start with like number of students to choose from, and you want to choose a pair of students. So the first blank in the table here, sorry, let's get the set up here. So for this blank here, you would do two, choose two, or you could write that as two, choose two, like that, whatever way you like. Obviously, that's just one. There's only one way to choose two people out of two people. Um, in the next one, you've got three people to choose from, and you want to choose two of them. And so there's more than one way, obviously, that you can do that. When you're using the choose feature, what it really means, 3 choose 2 really means 3 factorial over 2 factorial, and then you subtract the two numbers, and you divide by that factorial as well. And so this would be 3 factorial, which is 6, divided by 2 factorial, which is 2, and 1 factorial, which is 1. 6 divided by 2 gives you 3 ways. So we've got one way, we've got 3 ways, and so on. So if you carry on with that, you're going to have 4 choose 2, which means 4 factorial over 2 factorial, 2 factorial, or 24 over 4, so you get 6 ways. So we can see that it's not a linear relationship, it's going up by more each time. And so they're going to ask you to predict from this relationship, once you see the pattern in terms of how the y values are growing, to predict what's going to happen in the future, like for instance for 10 students. These numbers look to me like they're going to be triangular numbers if you're familiar with them. If not, then you can definitely see the pattern in terms of how much the y values are increasing each time. And so you can just use that pattern to answer the questions 1, 2, and 3. A permutation and a combination, they're different because one is with replacement and one is without replacement. And what that means is once I've chosen a person for a committee, I can't go back and put that person back in the running. They've already been assigned a position. With permutations, it's like having 4 numbers to choose from, and you're going to make a 4-digit number. So for the first digit, you've got 4 numbers to choose from. In the second digit, you can still choose any of those 4 numbers because we could have repeats. We could have like the number 3333. So permutations would be like 4 times 4 times 4. But if you had 4 numbers and you had to choose a 4-digit number from them without replacement, without being able to have repeats, then that value would be less. And that would be a choose question, 4 choose 4, as opposed to 4 to the exponent 4, which is a permutation. So I hope that makes sense. And if not, email me again. And I check my emails quite often, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, okay? Thanks.